Hello everyone, my name is Shubhankar. Welcome to Smart AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a modern landing page with smooth scroll animations and attractive card transitions.
You'll learn how to design stylish animated cards with elegant transitions. These effects will make your website look modern. Let's jump to my computer screen. I'll show you this animation. Make sure to subscribe to Smart AI.
Here you can see a modern landing page built with smooth scroll animation and interactive stacked cards. This section is fully animated using GSAP and ScrollTrigger. As I scroll down, notice how each card smoothly fades in and slightly rotates. Each card enters with a soft upward motion and subtle rotation, creating a premium stacking effect. This makes the layout feel dynamic instead of static. The animation is smooth, controlled, and scroll-based, which means it responds directly to user interaction. Now watch carefully as I continue scrolling, the stacked cards smoothly spread across the screen. This horizontal expansion creates a powerful visual transition. It feels interactive, modern, and highly engaging. And when I hover over a card, you can see the image fades out and the content appears with a clean transition. This creates a beautiful interaction without needing to change pages. Each card has its own content section. You can add descriptions, links, call to action buttons, and fully customize the design. This type of scroll-based animation is perfect for agency websites, portfolios, startup landing pages, or product showcases. It immediately grabs attention, and it gives your website a premium, high-end look.